Welcome to Mr. Lalung vlog. So finally we are on our way to our office trip. Hi.
I had forgotten.
So this is the bus that we are traveling, all of us. So now we have stopped for around 20 minutes for breakfast before we move out to the station, and since we are hungry. So this is the restaurant we will be having our food. So we are done with the food and we are back to the road heading towards the railway station to Guwahati. So it's about 11:41 now and our stomachs are full. We're feeling sleepy. So the bus dropped us and now we are going ahead to the train station. Go, wait. So now we are moving ahead to platform number 7. So all our friends have gone ahead. So all these people waiting to go to Sikkim. Video. Hello, all are waiting for Sikkim. Mumbai. Hello. Wait, how much you guys will buy stuff, huh? Go. Resident TT Thomas, TT Alvin. Yeah, so Alvin got promoted as a TT. So we are here in NJP and now we are waiting for our cabs, which was already booked, and it seems they have already arrived here. We are walking towards the cab now. Yeah, the weather is almost like Shillong only. There's not much difference in NJP, but not exactly cold like Shillong. I don't know why I'm comparing also. Now all our team members are inside the cab and we are moving towards Gangtok, which will be around 3 to 4 hours journey. So stay tuned. So
this is our gang moving to Sikkim.
Yeah, I know. After arriving in Gangtok, the capital of Sikkim, we freshened up, we took some rest, we had our breakfast, and now we are moving ahead to our first destination called Nathula Pass. Sikkim is about 5,400 feet above sea level, but the place that we are going is about 14,000 feet. So therefore we needed a little time of rest because we are exploring Sikkim on the same day of arrival. And Gangtok, also being the largest town of Sikkim, has many other places to go around exploring, but we kept it for the next day or maybe evening when we return from Nathula Pass, if we are not tired, to explore MG Market. As we are ascending with our vehicles towards Nathula Pass, reveals a captivating scene of towering mountains adorned with rugged rocks. The air turns crisp and the surrounding peaks stand sentinel like a guard against the wide open view. The play of sunlight, gentle and warm, added a touch of magic to the journey, casting a golden hue on the landscape. The travelers are left in awe as the vehicle navigates each turn, unveiling a breathtaking beauty that seems to evolve with every twist and turn that a vehicle takes, rising along the enchanting mountain routes. Finally we reached Nathula, and this is the view from here. We'll go all the way up there.
Where is
returning from Nathula now, because on top photography and videography is not allowed much.
Hello guys.
So we're returning from Nathula Pass now since the time is over. So this was all about Nathula Pass. The place is really very beautiful, and I guess even when the snowfall starts, the place will be more beautiful than now, but I don't think so tourists are allowed during the month of heavy snowfall. But again, from end of Feb, March, I hope so you can visit this place. Now we are moving to our second destination, it is Tsomgo Lake. but we had planned for 3 locations, but unfortunately because of time, only 2 locations will be covering today. This is a very beautiful lake, our second visit point, and mostly during the winter this will be completely frozen and it will have a different view. Now I decided to have a more beautiful view of the lake from a more higher point. Therefore I decided to take a yak ride all the way to the top of the mountain and have a very beautiful view of the lake. So come join me. हाँ ठीक है नाम है इसका सीखा ओह अच्छा है इधर में बर्फ कौन सा महीना में होता है दिसंबर क्रिसमस के टाइम पे हम लोग गलत टाइम में आए हमने कौन सा एजेंसी बुक किया था ना वो लोग बोला बाइक नहीं बोला बस Riding a yak to a semi-mountain top in Sikkim was an adventurous journey, and it added one of a memorable time in Sikkim. The sturdy yak with its thick fur carried me along steep path and rocky terrain. As we went higher, the air was crispy and the panoramic view of the mountains were breathtaking. As we ascended, the landscape unfolded, revealing lush valleys and vibrant forests. The yak's steady pace and the tranquil surroundings created a unique experience, blending thrill and tranquility. Reaching the mountain top, I felt a sense of accomplishment, surrounded by the majestic peaks and the very beautiful view of the Tsomgo Lake and the serenity of the high altitude of the world. After reaching the viewpoint, got a very beautiful view of the location and also got some very good pictures, and now it was time to descend and join my friends for the return trip.
जी नहीं ये याक का पैर जो है ना सर एकदम ही ग्रिपिंग टाइप का होता है, ज़्यादा ग्रिप होता है। पहले जो था सर यहाँ पे याक राइडिंग नहीं होता था, हॉर्स राइडिंग होता था, लेकिन हॉर्स का क्या है वो नीचे नाल लगता है ना, तो उस वजह से आइस में पूरा स्लिप करता था। ज़्यादा टूरिस्ट लोगों को गिराने की वजह से फिर याक राइडिंग चालू हो गया। आपका भी ये फर्स्ट टाइम है सर? आपको मैं ये बता देता हूँ कि बेस्ट यहाँ पे सीजन आपको मार्च 15 से है। उस टाइम पे आपको यहाँ से आगे अलाउड नहीं है गाड़ी, यहीं तक होता है, लेकिन बर्फ पूरा होगा यहाँ पे। हाँ जी,
बाइक भी इधर से आगे नहीं जाने के लिए,
लेकिन जा तो सकता है, लेकिन कोई कोई दिन खुला रहता है, कोई कोई दिन बंद रहता है। हाँ। लेकिन यहाँ से ज़्यादा ऊपर फंसने का चांसेस ज़्यादा रहता है। नीचे से जो परमिट है यहीं तक देते हैं, छांगू लेक तक।
वो परमिट कहाँ से लेना पड़ता है?
परमिट तो नीचे तो आपको गैंगटोक से ऊपर ये 3 माइल चेक पोस्ट है, वहीं से मिलता है। अभी गैंगटोक में स्टे गैंगटोक में करना है ना सर? लेकिन कैसा लगा सर?
As we end up this incredible journey together, remember that life's greatest adventure often begins at the end of your comfort zone. Whether you are exploring distant landscape or the depths of your own spirit, embrace the unknown until our next adventure. Wonder often, wonder always. Safe travels. So this was all about my exploring Sikkim, and we are almost at the end of my today's vlog. So if you like my work, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you, and Mr. Lalong signing off.
Sikkim!